What if losing your job was the best thing that ever happened to you? This is Adam, a 29-year-old customer service rep who got laid off without warning and without savings. He had no plan, no income. But 2 months later, he made $5,000 online, selling AI-generated images. This is his story. For 6 years, Adam answered phones in a cramped office. He wasn't passionate about it, but it paid the bills. Until one morning, he walked in and was told, "We're letting you go." No warning, no severance. He packed a cardboard box and walked out into uncertainty. The job search was brutal. 12 applications. 12 rejections. Every "we'll get back to you" chipped away at his confidence. By week 3, Adam was eating instant noodles and scrolling TikTok, trying to ignore the anxiety in his chest. Then, something caught his eye. A short video showing AI art being created in seconds. He clicked. Then clicked again. And something sparked. Adam dove in. He discovered tools like Leonardo AI and Midjourney. Platforms that let anyone create stunning art without ever touching a paintbrush. He stayed up late learning prompts, styles, keywords. Dragons. Neon samurais. Cyberpunk foxes. His first 10 images were rough. But number 11? It clicked. He posted it on Reddit. 30 upvotes. Then 100. Then someone commented, "You should sell these." Adam opened an Etsy shop. He uploaded a pack of 10 digital wallpapers, fantasy landscapes, retro-futuristic cities, vibrant characters. He priced it at $8. 3 days later, a notification buzzed. "You made a sale." He stared at the screen. His first $8 online. It felt like $800. Encouraged, he created more packs. He experimented with styles, bundles, color palettes. Then, a tweet changed everything. He posted a side-by-side, prompt versus result. It went viral. 50K views. Then 200K. Now he had attention, but attention doesn't pay the bills. He studied what worked. He added keywords like cyberpunk wallpaper, AI fantasy art, digital download. He bundled exclusive collections with commercial licenses. He added limited edition tags and created scarcity. He launched a Gumroad store. He offered a free download in exchange for an email. That list grew from 0 to 850 in just 3 weeks. He learned Canva to design better covers. He learned ChatGPT to improve product descriptions. Every small skill stacked into something powerful. By the end of month 2, Adam had earned over $5,000, $2,700 from Etsy, $2,300 from Gumroad. His art was featured in a YouTube video. A TikTok creator used one of his pieces as a background, and tagged him. He started getting DMs. "Can you teach me this? Do you have a course?" He didn't feel like a fraud anymore. He felt like a creator. Like someone who could build something bigger than just a paycheck. But the biggest transformation wasn't financial. It was internal. Adam wasn't just surviving, he was building. He had clarity, confidence, and momentum. He didn't fear losing a job ever again, because he'd created something no one could take from him. He now creates free resources and videos for others just like him. Because this story isn't rare anymore. It's becoming normal. People with no degree, no followers, and no capital. Earning online by learning new tools and staying consistent. So if you've ever felt stuck, if you've ever been fired, rejected, or overlooked, maybe that moment isn't the end. Maybe it's your beginning. Because in 2025, we don't need permission to build something. We just need curiosity and the courage to start. Adam's story is real. And yours could be next. Subscribe to this channel for more real stories of how everyday people are making money online. No fluff. No fake lumbos. Just proof that the internet is still wide open.